First, you'll need to download the Debian Netinst ISO. This is a minimal installation image that allows you to install Debian with just the basics. Link in the description. Next, create a bootable USB drive with the ISO file using a tool like Rufus for Windows or Ventoy or Etcher for Linux or Mac. I will put the video guide in the description. Insert the bootable USB into your computer and restart. Boot from the USB drive by selecting it in the BIOS/UEFI settings. Start the Debian installation as usual and follow the on-screen instructions. Continue the installation process until you reach the software selection step. This is the important step. When you get to the software selection step, deselect everything except standard system utilities. This will ensure you only install the bare minimum. Then, follow the remaining prompts to complete the installation. Once done, reboot your system. After rebooting, log into your system and enter your username and password you created during the installation. During the installation, you will probably create a regular user. You should assign sudo privileges to that user now. First, gain root access for the current session. Now, run this commands. Replace Mark with your actual username. To make changes take effect, log out and log back in using this command. Now, let's install the core components of GNOME. Run the following commands. This will install the essential parts of GNOME without any extra bloat. The Debian installer uses the ifupdown package for network management, but GNOME uses NetworkManager. To avoid conflicts and ensure your Wi-Fi card works, remove ifupdown. After removing ifupdown, reboot your system. Once you're back in GNOME, you'll need to make a small change to the NetworkManager configuration file to ensure it manages your network devices correctly. Open Terminal and edit the configuration file. Change the line managed equals false to managed equals true. Press Ctrl-O and enter to save the file, then Ctrl-X to exit the editor. Reboot again. After log into the system, you may need to configure the IP address again. To do so, go to Settings then Network. Click the gear button next to your network connection and configure the IP address for your network interface. At this point, you have a barebones GNOME environment. If you want to add more tools like a file manager, terminal, web browser, Git, CLI downloaders, and text editor, etc., you can do so by running this command. Do not make your system bloat again by installing unnecessary software. Just install only the essential software you want in your Debian system.